In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube banner with Nano Banana. Whether you're promoting your brand or just showcasing your creativity, a striking banner is essential for your YouTube channel. Let's dive right in and create a compelling design that resonates with your audience. First, you'll want to head over to Google Gemini. This platform will allow us to seamlessly create and manipulate images for our banner. Once you're there, the next step is to locate and click on the Add Files icon. This icon is your gateway to uploading the image you intend to work with. Whether you're starting from scratch or modifying an existing piece, this step is crucial. Once you've clicked the icon, it's time to upload your image. If you have an existing image that you want to tweak, upload it as your reference. This way you ensure the aspect ratio and composition remain intact, creating a cohesive look for your final product. It's all about making those subtle, impactful changes. Now let's enter your text prompt. This is where the magic happens. Use the prompt to instruct Nano Banana on how to transform your image to fit your banner vision. Be as specific and creative as you want. For instance, you might say, reimagine this photo for a YouTube banner with a vibrant, futuristic background. The more detailed your instructions, the better the tool can deliver a result that aligns with your expectations. Once you've set your prompts, it's time to click the Generate button. This allows the AI to get to work, incorporating your desired style into the image. The anticipation can be exciting as you watch your concept come to life right before your eyes. After you've reviewed the generated image and are pleased with the outcome, go ahead and download the image with the new font style. This ensures you have a copy saved for future use or further adjustments. Finally, you'll need to resize and finalize your banner. Because the AI might not perfectly match YouTube's standard dimensions, use a resizing tool to adjust the image to the appropriate size. Open the image in a tool like Adobe Express, select the resize option, and set the dimensions to 2560 by 1440 pixels. This is the standard size for YouTube banners. Once resized, feel free to continue editing, adding any final touches, text, or design elements to polish off your banner. And there you have it. Your YouTube banner is complete and it's ready to catch the eye of viewers. With a little creativity and the right tools, you can make a professional, eye-catching banner that reflects your channel's personality. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.